The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has debuted on Geekbench, giving us a first glimpse at its performance and hardware enhancements. The model number SMS938 you mention is most likely the one that will be marketed in the United States. The benchmark results for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra demonstrate a significant increase over its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, in single-core performance. The S25 Ultra got 369 points compared to 2,143 points for the S24 Ultra. The multi-core performance is even more amazing, with the S25 Ultra scoring 9,080 points, which is much more than the S24 Ultra's 6,696 points. These findings indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will provide a significant increase in speed and processing capacity, making it a formidable challenger for performance-intensive activities. Another noteworthy comparison is between the new Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmark and latest iPhone 16 Pro Max testing, according to Tom's Guide. In single-core testing, the iPhone scores roughly 3,400, but in multi-core benchmarks, it scores 8,300. As usual, the iPhone leads in single-core performance but lags behind its Android rivals in multi-core testing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a notable gain in power despite the phone being smaller. According to leaked images, Samsung's newest flagship will be somewhat thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra will also revert to rounded corners, moving away from the harsh angular form that has distinguished Samsung's Ultra models over the last several years. This redesign, along with a performance improvement, promises a sleek and powerful gadget. In addition to the performance information, the Geekbench listing includes a few more specifications. The model tested has 12 GB of RAM, which is the same as last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, this does not imply that all versions of the S25 Ultra will be restricted to 12 GB of RAM. There may be additional models with alternative configurations. The tested Galaxy S25 Ultra model ran Android 15, indicating that the phone would most likely get OS upgrades up to Android 22. This is excellent news for long-term software support. The Geekbench listing also reveals that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm processor with a maximum clock speed of 4.19 GHz based on the ARM-v8 architecture. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.